Hello, welcome back. I'm hanging out here with my guy. Billy's there sleeping. We took sister to school today. It's a mess back there. So I'll be cleaning up a bit today. It's a disaster over here. But I also want to open up my new Cricut and get my laptop set up and everything and kind of play around with that today and see what I can get made. I'm a lot to learn with that, but I'm excited about it. I'm excited about opening up a new Etsy shop and selling some cute stuff on there. Some made with Cricut and some not, so we'll just see what I can come up with. I already have some ideas, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and set it up right now. It's like, it's almost 9:30, so I'm gonna start with that because my back is really bothering me today and I don't feel like cleaning at the moment. So let me go grab that. Okay, so I'm just gonna set up in here for now because I've got this big table. I'm not really sure where I'm going to permanently set this up. So I've got my pretty pink Cricuts, got my laptop, and all the fun stuff that this thing came with. Aerys is over here, helping me get everything out of the box, even though I don't want to yet. Hello, buddy. I got some little cups to kind of practice on before I make actual cups for our shop. Aerys just turned 2. He had a Spidey party and he got a haircut. This part normally goes up into a man bun, but we're relaxing right now. What are you doing, bud? Like all these new toys? Yeah, so fun. Colors? Yes, these are colors. Good job. You're so smart, buddy. I love you. I love you, cutie. You smile. Where's your smile? I'm gonna tickle you. Come here. Okay. Yeah, see, stack the cups. What colors do you see? Pink and blue. Pretty. Yeah, what else? Yellow, green. Green. Yeah. Need help, please? Need help, please? Hold the bottom. Stuck together. Okay, so now we're going to get into me unboxing my new Cricut Maker. This is life as a mom with a toddler. I don't know who was more excited, Aerys or myself. So here we are getting it out of the box. It came with some mats and a starter kit to do a little project. So here we are just unwrapping it and getting everything all set up so that I could get it connected and set up on my laptop. I thought it was too cute that he was closing the Cricut and then putting his arms up to celebrate that he did it. So now I'm just going to sit down and set up everything on my laptop. The Cricut app on my MacBook was really easy to get everything set up and try cutting a little practice piece. So everything was really, really easy to do. Alright guys, we are in the car. I had to get out of the house. Aerys was just into every little thing and driving me nuts. God bless his cute, sweet little heart, but I can't deal with that. And it's like, I just need a little jail to keep him in so he can't get into every freaking thing. So, they're back there. I just got him a free Happy Meal. Because I have points on my app. I don't go there that often, but I guess I had enough points saved up for a free Happy Meal, so that was nice. I just asked him if he wanted some fries, and it sounded so much like he said, "Oh, hell no." I don't know what he was trying to say, but that was funny. So we're getting gas now. I'm gonna grab a coffee to help me power through these errands. We've got to go to Michael's, Bath and Body Works, Target, and then I have a grocery pickup at Kroger. So there's quite a few things that we need and a few things that I want. Especially wants are from Michael's, really, because I want to make some stuff for us and for the shop. So I'm super duper excited about that. But anyway, I'm gonna finish up getting gas and then go get some coffee. Anybody else's baby hate their car seat? She just is always like this. She's just throws a fit every time she's in her car seat. Alright, this is our setup. I'm wearing her. I got him in our single stroller. Sometimes this is just easier because she still doesn't like to be in a stroller much either. Thank you, baby. Isn't he pretty? Yeah. Hey, hi, friend. Hi, friend. Okay. Are you happy now? You ready to go shop? Yeah. You're so sweet. That sweet little face of yours. So cute. I love you. Okay, let's go. Tell me you have a big brother without telling me.
No.
Oh, no. What?
Oh, no. I hate. Oh, no.
Oh, no. You got me. Sorry if you hear me chewing. I'm eating some leftover fajitas I made last night.
Baby Zoet.
Baby Saurus. Isn't that from the dinosaur show?
Zoet.
Baby Saurus. That's what I'm hearing. Are you guys hearing that too? Baby Saurus? I don't know. Are you all done with dinosaur? You want it back? Look at that chin, girl. Okay. Oh, okay. What are you saying? You see that cute baby? Eat your tortilla. Yes. Oh. You got food in your Eat your tortilla. You all done? It is about 2:45. Oh, see, do you feel better? Yeah. So, we've been gone for, I think we were gone for like 3 hours. But it was so lovely out. It was a nice day. It's been really cold here the last few days, so it was nice to have a nice day and go for a little stroll outside. So I just walked down the whole shopping center. Got our groceries, we're home. I'm gonna bring the rest of the stuff in from the truck. Now that I'm done eating, and then I'm gonna show you. Why are you looking at the dinosaur? Oh, because the dinosaur was eating on the plate? You're funny, so he goes. What are you doing? He made, he pulled his ponytail out so his hair is all crazy now.
Up.
What?
Up.
Up.
Yeah.
We're gonna work on this disaster back there after I put the groceries away.
Up.
The fridge needs to be cleaned out a bit though. So I'll show you what I got. I found some really cute stuff to craft with at Michael's, and then some cute stuff for baby girl and my middle daughter Yasmin. And then of course the groceries and whatnot. But let me bring that stuff in right now. What do you have? Can you show me? Let me see. Whoopsie, baby's leaving. Okay, those are lacing beads that he's playing with, or was playing with. I got them on Amazon, but he loves them. So I highly recommend the lacing beads. There's like different animals and stuff. He loves it. This is our grocery haul minus 2 waters that are still in the truck. So I'm gonna try and clean out the kitchen and organize the pantry and put all of this away as well as that. Here's a cute outfit and some sandals that I got for her at Burlington. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.